بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Ali RadiAllahu Anhu, may Allah be pleased with him, married several women after the death of Fatima RadiAllahu Anha, who gave birth to many children. From them is Abbas bin Ali bin Abi Talib, Abdullah bin Ali bin Abi Talib, Ja'far bin Ali bin Abi Talib. Now listen to this name, Uthman bin Ali bin Abi Talib. Their mother is al-Banin bint Hizam bin Darim. This is their mother. Also he had two sons from Layla bint Mas'ud ad-Darimiyya. One of the names he gave to one of these sons is Abu Bakr, and his name is Abu Bakr bin Ali bin Abi Talib. Also from Asma bint Umays he had Yahya bin Ali bin Abi Talib, Muhammad al-Asghar bin Ali bin Abi Talib, and Aun bin Ali bin Abi Talib. And he had Ruqayya bint Ali bin Abi Talib, and Umar bin Ali bin Abi Talib, who died at 35 years of age, and their mother was Habib bint Rabi'a. Habib bint Rabi'a. He had also the daughter al-Hasan bint Ali bin Abi Talib, and Ramla al-Kubra bint Ali bin Abi Talib, and their mother is Mas'ud bint Urwa bin Mas'ud al-Thaqafi. The question is, would a father name his son a name of his most staunch enemies? So how would Ali RadiAllahu Anhu name his sons with names whom you consider as enemies of him? And do you know that Ali was the first from Quraysh to give the names Abu Bakr and Umar and Uthman to his sons? Would this help you to think that there was no enmity whatsoever and come to your senses?